Here we have another example of a problem where we have numbers on both sides of the equation. Perimeter, first let me read the problem. It says, what's the area of a square with a perimeter of 100 meters? Perimeter, you have to remember, is the distance around the outside. So we have 4 side lengths that we have to find. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4 are all the same length because this is a square. How many sides do I have? I have 4. So my equation is this: 4s is equal to that 100 millimeters. To solve for s, we're going to divide by 4 because we do the opposite. And over here on the left-hand side, 4s means 4 times the unknown number s. All right? So when I divide 100 by 4, I get s equals 25. All right, our last step then is we have to find area given that. So we're going to do 25 times 25. And we'll grab our calculator, throw that in. 25 times 25 equals 625. So the answer to my problem here is 625 millimeters. And then we need the square, or to the second power, to complete our problem. Go ahead and watch this video as many times as it takes until you see how to work backwards and find the area of a square when you're given the perimeter.